With a scrunched up face, you're going to take that water activated face paint and you're just going to stipple it on the face very haphazardly and using a lot of water. This paint is very wet, but the cool part here is that this part isn't difficult. You really just want to throw it on to look as messy as possible, but messy with purpose. This is definitely a costume that you can wear with just regular clothes, so I'm also going to take this makeup on the neck and shoulders just so it kind of like ties it in to the whole bod. I'm taking a black eyeliner now. This one is by Huda Beauty, and it's a kohl liner, so it can be smudged around, but the longer it stays in contact with the air, it'll set and dry down, which I think is kind of perfect for something like this, because you want to apply it to the eye area, and then taking a thin brush, we're going to kind of smudge it out in a rough way, but make it look a little bit more worn in and worked in to the face. With the blush now, I'm starting off in the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to apply a very high blush just to add some cool color and interest to the cheeks. And then from there, we're going to add a little bit of a gray eyeshadow as a contour color. Pretty much just want to add shape to this look, but we also don't want these contour and blushes to be on top of the face. I'd like it to be like a little bit more underneath the skin. So we're going to go back in with the face paint one more time, and we're going to add that to the cheek and forehead area just so it all works together and so that contour looks underneath the skin. I think kind of with makeup looks like this, if you add more layers, the more interest the whole thing gets. Now I'm going in with some gray eyeshadow, and we're going to apply that to the eye, making note that I'm using a gray eyeshadow and not black, because you want to use black eyeshadow at the very end, so you want to be able to add, two different darknesses. But from there, I'm going in with a waterproof eyeliner, and I'm going to start drawing in the fake tattoo marks, and with whatever, just go crazy. Draw whatever you want. But I'm using a waterproof eyeliner on purpose because I'm going to go in with a spray bottle in a little bit to distress the paint that's on my body to also match the distress that's on the face. And then I'll go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow to kind of fake that same dripping and smearing effect on the tattoo marks as well. So it all matches and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So since I used a water-activated face paint, it will be distressed by water. So I'm taking some water now and kind of spraying it really close to the skin so it kind of breaks up the makeup in that area and then starts to stream down. And then doing the same thing to those tattoo marks as well. But if they don't really smear that well, depending on what you use, just go in with a black eyeshadow and kind of help just distress that some more. And I feel like it just goes with the look. This is all very grungy. I'm going back to my roots. With all the spraying, I kind of lost some of that contour, so you want to just go back in with that gray eyeshadow and add some more. And then I make the executive decision to kind of connect one of these clown eye stripes into a giant drip. Just pull that in. But have fun with it. Do whatever you want. So this is a water-activated face paint as well, just a pink one. So I'm just applying that all to my hair as a really easy way to change your hair color for Halloween time, but then I'm also going to kind of carry that into that same drip effect and pull it down onto the skin, into the makeup as well, so it all kind of starts to tie together into the blush even too, and then it kind of to me grounds it into we're there. This is a look. But after that, that's about it. I'm just going to throw in some Halloween contacts and paint on a red nose and call it a day. But definitely subscribe if you're not already. I upload every Wednesday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.